Behind the patch we have two quick deploy items, a strike anywhere match and a paper clip. Opening the pouch, attach the clip, I have a key to my Jeep, which on the keychain I have a small little knife. Here's a rubber band. Here's two containers containing screwdriver bits, Allen, Phillip, and flathead. Here's a driver tool for the bits that I sawed the handle off, and a small ratchet to turn them. As you can see, I have two socket sacks, both metric and standard. Mechanical pen, a 1 milliliter pipette, a 3 milliliter pipette, a Sharpie. Here is a standard number 2 pencil, some Fiskars scissors. These are quality scissors. I've had these about 10 years. Small and large zip ties. Here's a crescent wrench, razor tool, set of 6-inch channel locks. Here's a little ruler, metric and standard, Fisher Scientific. Here we have a clip, some super glue, one-time use, my spare flashlight, multi-tool. It's got the needle nose pliers, knife, screwdrivers, file, can opener, and a small little saw. Here's a little thing of clear eyes, some chapstick, lighter. Here's one of those trick birthday candles, rolled up in foil with some strike anywhere matches. Glow stick, chemical light. Here's a ferrocerium rod and magnesium bar, and my spare knife. Little folding knife with a can opener. Got a pretty good little edge on it. Here's a small sprayer with 190 proof ethanol or Everclear. Here's some lens cleaning wipes, respirator cleaning wipes, and a hand sanitizing wipe. Here's some paracord with some paper clips and safety pins inside. Bobby pin, rubber band, another little safety pin. Inside the pouch here, got a respirator cleaning wipe and lens cleaning wipe, couple of them, handkerchief, white. Here's an emergency blanket, Fresnel lens magnifying glass, start a fire or just magnify stuff, duct tape, two Right in the Rain pieces of paper, and here's just a little notepad, and some instant coffee, tastes terrible. Lens cleaning cloth. That's it for that side. Here we have a small container with some straws with ointments in it, Vaseline, hand sanitizer, and we got some witch hazel sealed in little straws. Earplugs, tea light, some waterproof matches with a striker in the bag. Here we have a little first aid bag, anti-diarrheal pills, some latex gloves, cleaning wipe, band-aids, ibuprofen, aspirin, and Tylenol. Here's some anti-itch cream and antibacterial cream, some aqua taps, water purification tablets, burn gels, and we have some NyQuil and Dayquil. As you can see, I managed to pack a lot of stuff in this pocket fatty. Alright. Peace out.